Pass a list to a function to act as multiple arguments. In a function that expects a list of items, how can I pass a Python list item without getting an error? Surely there must be a way to expand the list, and pass the function red, blue, orange on the hoof? I think this is called unpacking.
You can read all about it here, Unpacking Argument Lists, the Python tutorial.
Yes, you can use the args, splat, syntax. Where my underscore list can be any iterable, Python will loop over the given object and use each element as a separate argument to the function. See the call expression documentation. There is a keyword parameter equivalent as well, using 2 stars. And there is equivalent syntax for specifying catch-all arguments in a function signature.
Since Python 3.5 you can unpack unlimited amount of lists. PEP 448, additional unpacking generalizations. So this will work.